Hello everybody, this is a Massey Ferguson 35 petrol tractor. It's a bit faded in the paintwork, but the tractor has never done a lot of work in its day, and it runs very well, ready to be used, maybe hooked up to a slasher or a small implement, and it's ready for work. It's also got a heavy duty blade at the back, grader blade, which is reversible, so that is also included with the deal. So you can get good value for money out of this tractor. So let's hear it running. Ready for work. Yes, and also included in the deal is a set of back wheel brake linings. Even though the brakes are still good on that tractor, there's a brand new set and some bearings for the front axle. It also has a set of front wheel weights. So that's it, you're getting good value for money.